Wow, chicken biryani there. You can share some of that.
Vegetables.
Whoa, those are huge.
That looks like Pinatubo.
So now we have all the food. It's just arrived, so I'm gonna take you guys through it. This is the butter chicken. What is this? The mutton curry now?
Yeah.
The chicken biryani, the vegetable samosa, garlic naan, and the buttered roti.
Cheese garlic naan.
Oh yeah, cheese. There's some cheese inside there, so I'm really excited. You excited, Dad, to try the butter chicken?
Yeah, we're so hungry.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog in the Philippines. So guys, today is a special day because it is Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. We're gonna be celebrating Father's Day in the Philippines. So unfortunately, guys, she is not going to be joining me on this vlog for the first half of the vlog. Yeah. So she has some business to handle, and then I obviously have some business to handle too. So guys, are you team Mary Joy or are you team me? Whose day would you rather see?
Who's coming with me in the cemetery?
And who's coming to me? So explain your day now.
I'm just gonna go out with my sister and we're gonna go to cemetery.
Cemetery? Why cemetery?
Because my dad is there.
Oh, so they don't know that, so you have to explain it, huh?
My dad is already dead.
So you're gonna visit him at the grave, right?
Yes.
And I'm going to go eat. I'm gonna go eat Indian food. So if you guys don't know, my dad loves Indian food. Like, that is his favorite food. So I'm gonna be taking you guys to the Indian restaurant today, and then we'll meet up with Mary Joy later. So
No, we're not gonna meet.
I might pick you up because I'm just gonna meet my mom and dad there. So possibly I can pick you up.
I don't have a phone. How can you contact me?
Well, I don't know. Let's figure it out. I appreciate all you guys. Make sure you guys are liking the videos. If you guys do want more Philippines vlogs, you do want to support us, please like that video and make sure you leave a comment as well. It just helps our channel grow. So let's go now. I will see you later.
Yeah, bye-bye. Hey!
I just made it to the Indian place and I'm actually waiting for my mom and dad right now. But check this guys out. If you are in Angeles City area, if you go to the TL Plaza, it's a nice little place where you could you know, enjoy a lot of food. They got a lot of restaurants here for like everybody's needs. I think they have coffee, Indian. They got a lot of options. So if you guys can see, they have like probably like 10 different restaurants. So as of right now, I'm just gonna wait for my mom and dad, and then hopefully we can be seated and enjoy this Father's Day meal. So let's check it out. I'm very excited to try it because I've heard such good things about Indian food. They got butter chicken, tikka masala. They got basically everything. So, but I'm gonna try the garlic naan today. So that's what I'm. Hello. Are you guys open right now?
Yes, we are open already.
Cool.
Where do you want to sit, sir?
I'm actually waiting for my mom and dad.
Oh, okay.
So,
okay.
can I just sit anywhere? It's
Yeah,
okay?
sure. You sit here.
Okay.
With our air conditioning.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Can I check your restaurant just to check it out? So yeah, guys, it's very clean in here already. It smells amazing. Did you guys just open at 11?
We're open 10, but
Oh, okay.
actually we just, started cleaning. But if you
Yeah.
want to check here also.
Oh, there's stuff down there too?
Yeah.
Cool. Wow, you got a lot of space. Wow, I don't think we're gonna be eating out here though.
I know.
So.
Only when we have a reservation and then,
Oh,
family.
okay.
Yeah.
So they said that they're coming at 11, so hopefully,
11?
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's actually them right now.
Oh.
Cool. So yeah, they pulled up, we good. Let's see. Oops. Oh, there we go. Guys, my mom and dad have just arrived and now we can finally, eat this food. Oh my gosh, they have a Grumpy Joe's opening over there. I just realized. I know they had one in San Fernando, so I'm excited that they actually have a Grumpy Joe's now. So we could try that too if you guys want to see that. But right across from Royal, we have a Japanese restaurant. So like I said, they have all the options you want. If you do want to check this place out, it's the TL Plaza. And yeah guys, I'm excited. Let's go greet my dad a happy Father's Day. So we'll see you guys.
Easy question.
All right, so it's Father's Day, so happy Father's Day, Dad.
Thank you.
So
Do I need cue cards?
so explain to the people where we are, Dad. Like, why are we
We're
here?
at the Royal Indian Restaurant. I'm Nick Arthur.
Okay, so
And we're here because the food is very good.
okay,
And it's a clean restaurant, and it's air conditioned. It's open 7 days a week from 10 o'clock until I think 11.
gee,
And
you've been
You know your
and they have
restaurant.
a good beer selection.
So why Indian food? Why did you choose Indian?
Oh,
on
we've
here?
been eating Indian food for a very long time. I discovered Indian food when I lived in England, and it's spicy. It's tastes great. There's a great selection. You get mutton, beef, chicken, seafood. The breads are excellent. And everybody's happy when they eat Indian food.
So here are the curry dishes. They have chicken dishes. My dad got the butter chicken. So it said it is a curry made from chicken with spiced tomato, creamy butter, and cashew sauce. So we're gonna test out and see how good the butter chicken is. We also got the cheese garlic naan. And basically, if you don't know what naan is, it's an oven baked bread. It's like a flat bread with garlic and butter on it. So then I got the chicken biryani. So it's basically just a rice dish.
Look for mutton masala. That's my
Mutton. Mutton is goat
Yeah.
or lamb?
I think lamb. Oh,
Yeah, it's lamb.
Lamb?
Well,
Okay.
He was trying to blog, and then you interrupted.
It's okay.
No, I told him to look for my order because he wanted
Yeah, I
to
got
see
it.
the price.
It's right here, the mutton
He
dish.
was talking about his dish, and then you interrupted. He stopped.
Well, basically I just got the chicken biryani, so.
Okay.
But the mutton is basically it's a curry that has lamb in it. So it says just like spices and curry and stuff like that. So, and then we also got the roti as well, right? The butter tandoori roti. So I've never tried roti, so I'm excited for that.
All right. Is this a great sound?
I'm serious. That's the Father's Day, every Father's Day sound right there. Wow, chicken biryani there. You can share some of that.
Vegetables.
Whoa, those are huge.
That looks like Pinatubo.
This is the sauce for this one.
Oh, okay.
What's in there?
We have mint, we have tamarind, we have mint, and we have ketchup.
So that green sauce is for
Mint,
there too,
yes,
and the
and
red as well.
yes.
Okay, not the ketchup though, right? Or
Just add these.
okay, okay. So this is the sauce for the biryani.
What the heck?
It smells good. I like that.
What is that, cucumber?
Yeah, it's like a cucumber yogurt sauce, I think.
Wow.
It's it should be very good.
Refreshing.
Yeah. So we're just waiting on the buttered chicken, the mutton, and that's it.
Naan.
Oh, the naan and
The
the
roti.
roti. Yep. Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys when all that stuff comes. So now we have all the food. It's just arrived. So I'm gonna take you guys through it. This is the butter chicken. What is this? The mutton curry now?
Yeah.
The chicken biryani, the vegetable samosa, garlic naan, and the buttered roti.
Cheese garlic naan.
Oh yeah, cheese. There's some cheese inside there. So I'm really excited. You excited, Dad, to try the butter chicken?
Yeah, we're so hungry.
Oh yeah, we also got basmati rice. So, and then in here, she already explained it, but these are the condiments. So let's go
bring
dig
it
in,
on.
and we'll give you the full rating on Royal Indian once we're done.
Okay. Go in, Kami.
So guys, check out this huge plate. We got biryani, samosa, garlic cheese naan, and the roti. So this is a huge plate, and we got so much left over. So let's try this biryani. I don't know if it's boneless. I'm not sure. See that big chicken?
It's definitely boneless.
So let's give it a try. Not bone.
The bone?
It's still really good. Wow.
It's definitely not boneless.
Definitely not boneless.
Let's try it with this sauce. It's like a yogurt cucumber sauce. You wanna try the sauce, Mom?
This one, I can taste the yogurt with this sauce.
Yeah? You can what?
Taste the yogurt.
Is it good or bad?
The biryani is so good.
And it's good, tastes different, but compared to mother.
Try the butter roti.
It's good.
Oh. You try the roti, Deb?
No.
You gotta try it. It's very good, very buttery. Here's the garlic naan.
Looks the same.
The garlic naan's a little thicker. But I would say the garlic naan is a little better.
Garlic cheese naan.
Garlic cheese naan. Let's take a big bite out of this samosa. You wanna try some samosa, Mom?
No, give it to that.
Oh my god. Look at all that. Yeah, check that out. It's filled with potatoes. You sure you want?
Was it good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Give that one to Dan.
It's got some sauce. I'm gonna try it with some sauce. So check out this green sauce. Look at that. Look at that. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but their samosa is probably one of the best samosas I ever had. Really good.
Samosa has got curry inside in the sauce, right? Curry sauce. Looks like
I
curry.
don't think curry is just like flavor, like seasoned. Seasoned like curry.
Where is that yellow?
Look, curry seasoning.
Cumin?
Yep. But so far, the food has been really good. I have no complaints. What about you?
Nope, it's really good.
No
Good
complaints
food.
there?
No complaint. Nope.
You really like the mutton, Mom.
Yep,
Very good.
my favorite.
All right, we'll see you for dessert. I'm just kidding. So guys, we got the butter chicken. Probably one of the most famous dishes in India. Let's give it a try. If you've never tried butter chicken, you're missing out. Look at that. It's like a tomato curry.
Very good.
It goes really good with the biryani. Look at how big this piece of chicken is. This is all boneless too. If you get butter chicken, it's gonna be boneless, so should have no problem right now. Very good. So guys, they pack the biryani with so much chicken. Look at how big this chicken is. We got more chicken. There's so much more chicken left.
That's
Look
a
at
lot
this.
of
Oh
chicken.
my god. It just never
Let's
ends.
give that to Joy.
So let's give it a try. This is the chicken
And
biryani.
The chicken is really good.
Mom. Look at that, Mom.
I know I tried it. It's good. This one is good too. That one is good.
So guys, this is the lamb curry. I'm gonna just try a small piece. So this is lamb. So let's give it a try.
You put some sauce.
I think your curry's better than the butter chicken, Mom.
Oh, same.
It's very bony and very fatty. So if you don't like fat and bones, I don't recommend it, but if you don't mind the fat and bones, it's very good. So we were just talking about how this restaurant gives you like a home feeling vibe. Like, if you guys see, It's got like nice chandeliers, and these booths are super comfortable. They have like these
You could be a 600-pound person and be comfortable in these booths.
Yeah.
all right,
Big chair.
how many Filipinos can you put on there? Like four or
Probably
five.
like 2 families.
But they also have nice curtains, air conditioning. So it's a very good place for
But
like home
this kind
style.
of small compared to
Well, they
Indian,
have more
yes.
seating back there too.
It's not,
Oh,
it's
they
not a
have?
banquet place. It's just
no, they have more
an
seating
intimate
there in the back.
restaurant.
Yeah, if you go in the back, they
I
have more
didn't know
seating.
that.
Oh.
I thought it's just here.
You have to go through the kitchen.
How do you know that?
She told me.
Oh, okay.
I did it to her when I was waiting for you.
Mm.
Special rooms.
Maybe for the party.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Party. Whatever.
All right, that's good.
Here's all the empty
Yeah, show the empty.
and the dead soldiers.
So this is the aftermath
Yeah.
of this meal. So we destroyed it, as you guys could see. So here's the bill, and the total is gonna come out to 1,981 peso,
About $35.
35 bucks for 3 people, so $10 each basically, right? A little over $10 each.
Well, let's say $12 each.
But look at all the food you guys got. So, and then we also have leftovers and some garlic naan. So I definitely recommend this place. I will rate this place a 9 out of 10. I mean, it could even go higher, but we gotta try more food for that. So what do you rate this place out of 10?
I say 8.
8? Wow.
I'll come back.
So no
Especially
rating?
if you're paying.
You don't want to rate it?
Rate it.
No, it's good. I mean, we wouldn't
Okay.
come. We wouldn't eat here if we didn't like it.
All right.
Alright,
so-
that's fair. So 8 out of 10 and a 9 out of 10. So recommend Royal Indian Palace in Angeles City, Pampanga. Is very good. And hopefully we can come back again. So